Hey guys, what's up? This is going to be the last unboxing. I'm excited because I got the summer Jeffree Star boxes right here. I did open them, and I also did get the little small mysteries. I actually did look at them actually. The first thing that I did get is the tea bag Supreme Gloss shade. That's really pretty. I did not swatch it for you though. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. that does not look good on my lipstick. Maybe if I blend it out a little. But yeah, I got that. And I also got the Jeffree Star skincare. This is the Star Rice Milk Face Serum. I have been actually very interested in trying out some of his like skincare items. I just have not yet done it. George, what are we doing? Okay, we're not going outside though. So here is the serum. I'm excited to give this a try. Does not have a smell or anything. Or maybe it does. It smells like chocolate. It seems very light. So I'm excited to give that a try and add that into my skincare. But here is the first box. Like I said, I did open them a little bit so that I can get them on. But I'm excited to dive in, right? Oh, I'm so excited. So first things first, I did get some, what are these? Are these hair scrunchies? Hair scrunchies. Ooh! I got one of these! I'm gonna put that on this phone right here. What the heck? No. Is this a bracelet or? I got this. It's not very good. Ooh. Ooh, this is the Biphase Serum Mist. This is from his one of his new collections. I'm so excited. Actually, what is it, George? What? What's this? Okay, well, I'm almost done, buddy. I got that face mist that he has in his new collection. I got his velour liquid lip in the shade Mannequin. Mommy! What, George? This is a really good ombre shade. I like that. I like that one. Oh, ooh. I got liquid lip threesome minis. I like the minis. I don't know how good these, I don't think these would be like good for your lips, but you can use these for your eyes. Let's quickly swatch. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. You can probably use this shade for your lips though. This shade probably not. Unless you're doing like a Halloween. Oh wow, that's very pigmented. Holy cow. You can use the first shade and the third shade right there for your lips. But the middle shade you can probably use for your eye. I got another Supreme Gloss and Celebrity Skin. These lip glosses, they're like top notch. Supreme Gloss. Is this the shade? Whoa! His Supreme Glosses are pigmented, you guys. These are super pigmented. Very good, very good. Like, look, I just touched my lips from that. I got an eye gloss powder. I've never tried his eyeglasses before. Ooh. Ooh, this is very, like, interesting. That's interesting. That's nice. This is in the shade Taffy Frost. Doesn't smell like anything. I got another eye gloss. The way that they feel might be pretty cool to try. Here's this one. This is a really pretty shade. I don't know how I like how they feel though. I don't know. I'm definitely gonna give a lot of these a try. I got single eyeshadows. Not something I'm really into getting. And then the Banana Fetish eyeshadow palette. I'm probably gonna just put this on my Poshmark. Maybe get a little bit of money back, but yeah, right here. I do have this palette though. If you guys would like to see a couple eyeshadow looks from this palette, let me know. These are really like pretty eyeshadows. They actually feel a lot different compared to, oh my gosh, I got another item that I did not know about. A Velvet Trap lipstick. This is in the Lace Cake. That's pretty. It's like a pretty Barbie pink shade. It has like a little bit of like blue in it. If you guys do want to know what eyeshadows, I got CEO, which I'm assuming is in the green palette, Equity. Winter Wind, which I'm assuming is in the blue palette. Mohawk looks really pretty, but I'm assuming it's probably in the red one. Emerald Estate, which is a pretty green, and Only Child. I'm gonna probably not have these.
Papa, Mimi, Mama.
What?
Mama.
What about her?
Mama.
Oh, almost done, buddy. And then here is the big box that he has as well. You okay? I got some of these. What? What? Oh, almost done. Got some socks. Not really into that. I got a hat. Like, I don't get it. Like, why give us these things?
Mommy.
Oh, I got another pop socket.
Mommy.
Yes, George.
What's that?
It's a cord.
Right?
Yeah. It's not attached to anything, though.
Mommy.
I got a lip scrub. The lip scrubs are really nice. This is the pink grapefruit. Smells good. There's a lot of nice stuff. Oh, wow. I got some more lip glosses. Oh, my gosh. I don't have any of his, like, Supreme glosses at all. Like, I don't have any. And he's stocking us up on this. This is a really pretty shade. So if you guys are wondering, I do sell Unique, but I also enjoy oh, look how pretty that shade is. I also enjoy using other products as well, you guys. So if you guys do not like me, oh wow, that's black. If you do not like me going through and doing other items, please don't hop on. I just really, I enjoy using checking it out. This is from one of his new companies as well. This is a liquid shadow right there. This is in the shade Pink Tablet. I want to get his new collection, the psychedelic one. Oh, I really want to try that. Has anyone ever tried that? Ooh. What? Ooh, this is lip oil. Doesn't seem... Oh, so I got the Pink Religion palettes. Yeah. The Ice Crusher. I don't know if I have this. I do not know if I have this. But it is the highlights that he has. Isn't that pretty? I do not know if I have this, but I'm also not going to swatch them at all right now just because I want to know if I have it. If I have it, then great. If I don't have it, then obviously it's gonna be used. Oh my gosh, I have a... What? Well, don't stick your fingers in there. Should have let him stay in there. Kids, I swear. They say to have them, but obviously... Alright, next thing that we're doing is the mini liquid lips. These ones look more wearable compared to the other ones. I'm excited. You will see like every now and again like a live on here of try-ons. Ooh, I like that one. That would be a really pretty shade in like the winter time, you know, whenever you're doing like cool tones. This is a really like pretty shade too as well. And then this is a Barbie pink shade. Whoa. Oh my god, that's like neon. That's so pretty. Eventually, you're gonna get, like, we're gonna have like a wall thing, so you're not gonna see my husband's stuff. We do share a room here. But, I got a lipstick in the shade Jawbreaker. I'm not going to swatch that. I was about to. I was thinking about it. But I don't know if I want to keep that. Calabasas liquid lip. That's a really pretty shade. Ooh, I got a Supreme Frost highlight powder in the Wet Dream shade.
Mommy!
Yes, George.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that. Are we ready for a nap soon? No. You've been up for a while, buddy. I think it's time. It's certainly a time.
What?
It's certainly that time to go for a nap. What? I'll sleep with you if you want to sleep. If you want to go to sleep. Here is another eye gloss shade. This is like more of a gold. I really don't know if I like these. But, I mean, its swatch is nice. I just don't know if I would like these. I'm making like a whole mess in here and then on my desk. Literally, I actually I cleaned up my desk for a reason. Because honestly, oh, that wasn't even in the thing. We have a convention and I signed up for the virtual and I'm excited to get the virtual started. But like, oh, that's pretty. That's really blinding. But yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very excited for virtual because even though like I can't go, I got more of these. Like Emerald Estate, Only Eyes, Yak Farm, Weirdo, Casper Mountain, that's actually really pretty. Grand Prismatic, Star Creek, Freak Show. So I might just get one of those. Oh no. I might get like a Z palette and like just put the shades in there. And then whenever I have to like go somewhere, I can just bring these and have like a whole look. Eye look. But who knows? I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep these. Like, yeah. All right, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. I know this is kind of like not a thing. But if you guys have questions on any of these products, if you guys have questions on this live, or if you guys have questions on the look that I created, which I am in love, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. But yeah, I hope you all have a good day and I'll see y'all soon. Bye guys.